Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to make a clean and simple photo collage on Canva, perfect for social posts, mood boards, or anything creative you're working on. It only takes a few steps, so let's get started. So first, head up to the search bar and type in photo collage. Canva has tons of pre-made layouts, so you don't really have to build one from scratch unless you want to. Go through the options and pick a layout that fits your style. I mean, you can go minimal, bold, aesthetic, whatever vibe you're going for. Once the template opens, click the Uploads tab on the left and upload your photos, then just drag each picture into the placeholders on the collage. You can double-click any photo to reposition it, zoom it, or crop it. Yeah, this helps you center the important parts without stretching the image. If you want to make things look more personal, you can change the background color, add text, throw in icons, or even adjust the spacing between frames. All those options are right in the top toolbar. And if you want a more polished look, you can add filters or effects to your photos, maybe soften the colors or give everything the same tone, so, the collage feels more consistent. When everything looks good, click the Share button at the top right, choose Download, and pick the format you want: PNG, JPG, even PDF. And that's it. Your collage is ready to use. So yeah, that's how you can make a photo collage on Canva in just a few easy steps. It's super flexible and honestly really fun once you start playing around with the designs. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.